Welcome to my channel today, guys. We're going to learn how to make a heart keychain. This is simple, beginner friendly, and everyone can use it. So we are going to use a 3.0 millimeter hook, and then these are the things we'll need: a scissors, a key ring, and then our yarn. It's a soft milky yarn. And then, as you can see, we are just about to start. So get ready, let's get into it, and I hope you will like yours after. So for the start, you just make a slip knot. So just follow keenly and let's go through it. So that's my slip knot done, and then we're going to chain 10. So that's me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just so you are sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's get into it. We are going to work through every loop. So our first loop will be the ears. That's what I'm showing, and so we work our way throughout. So just a single So on our second row is 9 single crochet. So that's our third single crochet, and then the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, and the 9. So it's what you have to get after you're done. You just turn your work over and then work your way throughout again, repeating the same process. Single crochet in each loop, 9 in total. So like you can see, we're going to work our way throughout. Same single crochet, 9 of them. So this is what we're going to be doing till we get to the 8th round. So just follow through.
Un círculo de magia, algo que se lleve la razón. Sos el viento en las mañanas, sos el aire de mi corazón. sin red de contención. Lo que venga, que se venga ya y que sea más que vos y yo. Date tiempo para respirar, date aire para estar en vos. Y si no hay nada y no hay palabras, crea un mundo en tu imaginación. Caminando ya vas a llegar, solo vos sabrás cuándo pasó. Sos la pluma que se escribe, sos el grito infinito.
Triple crochet, yes, sorry, a triple crochet, 10 of them in the same loop. So a triple crochet, 10 of them, all 10 will go through the same hole to have our hats in good shape. Yeah, so just like we did for the other side, you do same here, 10 triple crochet, and then we slip stitch at the end.
Dame un círculo de magia, algo que se lleve la razón. Sos el viento en las mañanas, sos el aire de mi corazón.
So you slip stitch,
A jugársela una vez y ya, a saltar sin red de contención.
and then that's one part done. You cut it off, make sure to secure the end well. So you do the same thing twice of them, and then yeah, just bring them together.
Date tiempo para respirar, date aire para estar en vos. Y si no hay nada y no hay palabras, crea un mundo en tu imaginación.
So we are going to join them with single crochet. Make sure all the parts are equal. Do not miss any hole. So you go through and then that's it. So single crochet throughout to the last end. That's what we're going to do. Single crochet. Once you're nearly done, just stuff it. You can put in microfiber fill or any filling of your choice just to make it nice and beautiful. Once I am done, I'll continue with a single crochet to the last end, and then I'll leave a little yarn and then cut off. So you just tie it, and then you get your plastic or metal needle and then from the center you go through, as you see me do. You go through from the center and then pull through at the end of the heart. And as you can see, our heart is looking very beautiful. Just to have a little bit of secure, you go through again, and then this time around you can cut the excess yarn. Okay, and nearly done. Now it's time to attach our keyring to our heart. So I got this off Shein. You can get them off Temu, AliExpress, and lots of online platforms. Just type. Yeah, so there are a lot of keyrings online. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.